In this video, I'll guide you through how you can add a clickable subscribe button on all of your YouTube videos. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To add a clickable subscribe button on all of your YouTube videos, at the beginning you need to open YouTube Studio and click on Customization. Now you have to scroll down and find Video Watermark. Now you have to click on Change button and upload your subscribe button. But if you don't have, then let me show you how you can create one. To create a YouTube subscribe button, at the beginning you need to open Canva and click on Custom Size. Now we have to go with 150 into 150 pixel. Now click on Elements and search for Subscribe. Now click on See All under Graphics and find the subscribe bell button. Once you find it, then drag and drop it and set the size. You can also change the color of your subscribe button. Once you set up your subscribe button, then click on share button, then download. If you want to download transparent background image, then you have to click on transparent background and click on download. Now go back to YouTube Studio, click on change and upload your subscribe bell button. Then click on done button and lastly click on publish. By following this easy tutorial, easily add a clickable subscribe button on all of your YouTube videos.